Hey everyone, this is Carla, and welcome to an all new episode of Projectized, the Project Management Show. And this week, I will be doing stories from the Project Management Institute September 2019 magazine. So, I am a project management professional, certified Scrum Master, and IDOL with 13 years problem solving experience in project management. And I wanted to go through the Project Management Institute magazine because I want to give you real world experience. I just don't want to tell you, okay, this is, the triple constraint. I want to apply it in action because I want you to have a firm understanding of project management basics. So this article is going to focus on Ferrari and how Ferrari is creating electronic hybrid cars. So the article says Ferrari is carrying the stereotype that electronic cars lack power. The automaker recently completed a project to design a hybrid electric capable of reaching 211 miles, 340 kilometers per hour. The SF90 Stradale has 986 total horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. But the real accomplishment comes from modifications that the project made to the standard Ferrari template. This SF90 is the first plug-in hybrid electric vehicle architecture. And this is a big deal because one of the things that a lot of people were saying about electric cars is they won't have the same cash. So you've heard of Tesla, and it's great, but it has a certain yuppie tree hugger connotation to it. You do have, I believe, an electric or a hybrid Cadillac, but for Ferrari to enter the market and do an electric hybrid uh, sports car, I think that it expands out the definition and what is luxury, but also good for the environment in a different alternative source. Usually, and this isn't just exclusively fuel, but anything that's outside of the market or outside of the norm, you get this weirdo thing label attached to you. And I feel that with the Ferrari doing the electric hybrid and the fact that it's making it a sports car is doing two things. One is normalizing electric cars, but two, what it's also doing is creating a new market. The Tesla is and Cadillac, they're not the same market. Now, Cadillac is luxury, but it's American luxury, and Ferrari is Italian luxury. So it's kind of a different thing. And this is a good look for Ferrari, especially since its other competitors, especially in Europe, aren't doing the same thing. And furthermore, it says the team compensated for the hybrid system added 595 pounds by shedding the weight elsewhere because when you unlike the gas tank that you have to consistently fill up, the electric plug goes everywhere, so it is added weight and you have to compensate in other ways. So what they did was they did lighter carbon fiber material for the body shell, uh, carbon fiber rear bulkhead, hollow casings, weathered and ribbed, but they still managed to make it a luxury car. And the Ferrari SF90 Stradale is slated for release in 2020. The location is Italy, and they named it SF90 in reference to the 90th anniversary of Scuderia Ferrari, the company's racing division. So that's Ferrari, an Italian sports company that is. Hey, Trey, yeah, you caught me. Actually, I'm glad you came in. Um, I was talking about Ferrari, and I was reading from. I'm a member of the Project Management Institute, and I was reading from the September issue, Trey. And what I was talking about today in this episode was about Ferrari. So Ferrari is an Italian car maker, and it's doing a hybrid vehicle, luxury sports vehicle that will debut next year. And I was talking about how yes, you have the Tesla, and you have Cadillac has a hybrid or electrical vehicle, but Ferrari actually making one and slating it to come out next year. That's a big thing for two reasons. one, it normalizes like the electrical car market, and then two, what it also does is it gives you carte blanche for the Italian automakers, which is big. So I was about to end it, but I had to explain it to you, so it was great. I'm also doing it an hour later because normally it's at 5:30. But thanks, Trey, for coming in. He's from YouTube. You should check out Trey. He's good, so I'm gonna put his name in here. So if you go to YouTube, Google Trey. He's great for Marlo's Corner. So he's the great like play-by-play for boxing for Marlo's Corner. So check him out and check Marlo's out. In addition to, and that Winston. Also check out Winston Lee too. So this is this episode of Projectized. I would like to thank Winston Lee and Trey X from both YouTube for watching me